Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this stroller manufactured by Little Olive. Contents in the box: stroller frame, 2 rear wheels, 2 front wheels, shopping basket, mosquito net. Unlock the hook and open the stroller by grasping the handlebar and front stroller frame. Seat pad is to be added by pulling the safety harness belt. Buckle the safety harness belt for safety. Install front wheels by pulling the lever up and inserting the wheels into the sockets provided as shown in the video. Install the rear wheels by pushing the wheels into the socket until an audible click is heard as shown. Insert shopping basket by attaching it to the rods provided below the seat using the buttons provided on the basket. Adjust the footrest by inserting it into the rod below it. Pull down the canopy and install the mosquito net by attaching it on both the sides as shown in the video. Now this Little Olive stroller is ready. Kindly contact our customer support on WhatsApp at 910-287-6747 in case any issues.